How to delete your languages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your languages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then scroll down again and you will find the profile information, and here you will find your languages. Click this pen here and now just go down and you will find your languages and click delete. Click this X icon and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.